Hi guys, welcome to the new video. Here I'm from الفرات University from Al-Najaf in the aircraft engines workshop. Got this guy, this engineering, this video, and this is the cover of engine. This is nozzle. This is wings. And this other engine. Like this. From speaker, and then other engines like that, the engineer's machines, engine, turbo ramjets. Look at this aircraft, MiG 21 Russian, here in the workshop, and that the engine, that, and it's broken down. What is this? Full compartment. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's like fuel pump. I don't know. Bells, fins. Really? Don't know what. I have to ask my engineer. What is this? What the fuck is this? This is the step and our hold. Just like that. Maintaining a turbojet engine. And this is the aircraft. And all engineering in the ship. And we working here. This is other engines. Are we doing something?